When it comes to finance, few names carry more weight than Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. Revered for his uncanny ability to spot value where others see risk, Buffett has become a living legend in the world of investing. His journey from a young boy with a fascination for numbers in Omaha, Nebraska, to one of the wealthiest and most respected figures in global finance is nothing short of extraordinary. As chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, Buffett transformed a struggling textile mill into a global powerhouse, now worth more than the economies of many nations. Under his leadership, Berkshire evolved from its humble beginnings into a conglomerate that touches nearly every corner of the American economy. The company's growth is a testament to Buffett's vision, discipline, and relentless pursuit of long-term value. Berkshire is a collection of iconic businesses: GEICO, Dairy Queen, BNSF Railway, and Berkshire Hathaway Energy, each adding to its resilience and steady profits. These companies, spanning insurance, food, transportation, and energy, form the backbone of Berkshire's diverse portfolio. Their consistent performance has helped the company weather economic storms and emerge stronger each time. Buffett's philosophy is simple: buy great companies at fair prices and hold them for the long term. He avoids the noise of short-term market swings, focusing instead on businesses with strong fundamentals and trustworthy management. This patient approach has not only generated immense wealth for shareholders, but has also inspired countless investors to adopt a similar mindset. His annual letters, filled with wit and wisdom, have made him a trusted figure for investors everywhere. These letters are more than just financial updates. They're masterclasses in business, investing, and life, eagerly anticipated by both Wall Street professionals and everyday savers alike. Even at 95, Buffett's leadership is defined by patience, discipline, and a belief in American business. He remains actively involved in major decisions, mentoring the next generation of leaders, and ensuring that Berkshire's culture of integrity endures. Now, as the financial world buzzes with rumors of his next big move, all eyes are on what could be another of his legendary elephant-sized acquisitions. Investors and analysts alike speculate about which industry giant might join the Berkshire family next, knowing that any deal Buffett makes could send ripples through the entire market. Reports suggest a deal is brewing that could reshape Berkshire's future and cement Buffett's legacy. As the world waits in anticipation, one thing is certain: Warren Buffett's influence on the world of business and investing is as powerful as ever, and his next chapter may be his most remarkable yet. The big news? Berkshire Hathaway is reportedly close to acquiring OxyChem, the petrochemical arm of Occidental Petroleum, for around $10 billion. This potential acquisition has sent ripples through the financial world, as analysts and investors alike weigh the implications of such a significant move. OxyChem is a major player in chemical manufacturing, producing essentials like chlorine, which is vital for water treatment and sanitation, and caustic soda, building blocks for countless everyday products, from paper to textiles, and even in the production of aluminum. This isn't just a factory purchase, it's a strategic grab for a critical piece of the industrial supply chain. The acquisition would give Berkshire Hathaway a significant foothold in the chemical sector, enhancing its influence and operational capacity. For Berkshire, this deal is a classic Buffett move, a durable, cash-generating business in a fundamental industry. Warren Buffett has always been known for his strategic investments in companies that produce essential goods and services. It's a bold bet on the enduring need for basic materials, which are the backbone of numerous industries and critical to economic stability, and the strength of American manufacturing. This move underscores Berkshire's confidence in the resilience and future growth of the U.S. industrial sector. The acquisition would deepen Berkshire's footprint in the industrial sector, adding another stable earner to its diverse portfolio. It's a strategic expansion that aligns with Berkshire's long-term investment philosophy. More than just a price tag, it signals a major strategic direction for Berkshire Hathaway, reinforcing its commitment to investing in essential industries that drive the economy forward. Berkshire's interest in OxyChem marks the latest chapter in a long, profitable relationship with Occidental Petroleum, one that's been built on strategic vision, mutual respect, and a shared appetite for bold moves in the energy sector. This partnership is not just about numbers on a balance sheet. It's about two industry giants recognizing each other's strengths and leveraging them for mutual growth. The story began in 2019, when Warren Buffett made headlines by investing $10 billion to help Occidental acquire Anadarko Petroleum. This wasn't just a simple cash infusion. Buffett secured preferred shares and lucrative warrants, giving Berkshire both steady income and the potential for significant upside. It was a classic Buffett move: calculated, opportunistic, and designed for long-term value. When the pandemic sent shockwaves through the oil industry and many investors fled, Buffett saw opportunity where others saw risk. He doubled down, steadily increasing Berkshire's stake until it became Occidental's largest shareholder, now holding a commanding 28% of the company. This boldness set Berkshire apart from the crowd. Yet, despite this significant ownership, Buffett has always been clear: Berkshire doesn't want to own all of Occidental. Instead, he's focused on acquiring the right pieces, the assets that fit Berkshire's disciplined investment philosophy and long-term strategy. That's exactly what makes the OxyChem deal so logical. OxyChem is a high-quality, cash-generating business that aligns perfectly with Berkshire's preference for stable, well-managed companies. Berkshire's deep familiarity with Occidental, gained through years of partnership, boardroom collaboration, and hands-on analysis, means the risks of a major acquisition are dramatically reduced. They know the company's operations, leadership, and culture inside and out. This long-standing relationship has given Buffett and his team unique insight into Occidental's business, allowing them to make decisions with confidence and clarity that few other investors could match. With this level of understanding, Berkshire can move decisively, knowing they're acquiring a high-quality asset that will deliver value for years to come. The OxyChem deal is a natural extension of a partnership that's already delivered impressive returns. It's a testament to the power of trust, patience, and strategic alignment between two industry leaders. For both Berkshire and Occidental, this is more than just another transaction. It's a win-win built on years of collaboration, shared vision, and proven success. Berkshire Hathaway's cash pile is legendary, now at a staggering $344 billion. This mountain of cash gives Buffett unmatched flexibility, but it's also a challenge. Idle cash earns little, and Buffett's job is to put it to work. For most, a $10 billion deal is a once-in-a-lifetime event. For Berkshire, it's a strategic deployment of capital. Buffett has waited years for the right opportunity, refusing to overpay even as cash kept piling up. The OxyChem deal is exactly the kind of elephant that can move the needle for a company this size. It's a disciplined, value-driven move, turning underperforming cash into a productive, income-generating asset. This deal shows Buffett believes he's finally found the right asset at the right price. It's a testament to Berkshire's patience and financial firepower. Why OxyChem? For Buffett, boring is beautiful. OxyChem's basic chemicals are indispensable, creating a durable moat and steady cash flow. Exactly what Buffett loves. The industry's high barriers to entry protect profits and keep competition at bay. Berkshire's long-term capital and patient ownership are a perfect fit for capital-intensive businesses like this. The deal also fits seamlessly with Berkshire's existing portfolio. Synergies with BNSF Railway and Berkshire Hathaway Energy are clear. Vertical integration within Berkshire's companies boosts efficiency and value. Most importantly, it's a bet on the long-term strength of American industry. Buffett isn't chasing trends, he's investing in the backbone of the economy. OxyChem is a classic value-driven move, solid, productive, and built to last. It's another example of Buffett's unwavering faith in America's future. The OxyChem deal comes as Berkshire prepares for a major leadership transition. Warren Buffett will step down as CEO at the end of 2025, handing the reins to Greg Abel, his hand-picked successor. Abel, with deep experience in energy and industrials, is perfectly suited to oversee OxyChem. This acquisition isn't just about growth, it's about continuity. By making a major move in Abel's area of expertise, Buffett is setting up his successor for success. The deal signals a seamless transition and a future built on proven leadership. It's a passing of the torch, ensuring Berkshire's culture of smart, long-term investment endures. Berkshire's move sends shockwaves through the market. For Occidental, selling OxyChem means cash to pay down debt and refocus on oil and gas. Some investors are disappointed, hoping Berkshire would buy all of Occidental, but the deal strengthens both companies. For the chemical industry, Buffett's investment is a powerful vote of confidence. Expect more attention and higher valuations. For Berkshire shareholders, it's proof the company is actively solving its cash problem with smart large-scale investments. The deal clarifies Berkshire's growth strategy as leadership changes hands. It's a reassuring sign that disciplined, value-driven investing remains at the company's core. OxyChem's acquisition marks a new era for Berkshire's industrial empire. Once known for insurance and stocks, Berkshire now owns and operates critical infrastructure: railroads, utilities, manufacturing, and soon, chemicals. This shift has made Berkshire an industrial powerhouse, focused on durable, essential businesses. OxyChem fits perfectly, deepening Berkshire's presence in the real economy. As a holding company, Berkshire can take the long view, buying to hold forever, not flip for a quick profit. This patient approach is ideal for industries needing steady investment and modernization. The deal cements Berkshire's identity as a long-term owner of vital American assets. It's a strategy designed to create lasting value for generations. The OxyChem deal is more than just another big transaction. It's a defining moment for Berkshire Hathaway. It captures Buffett's core principles, using cash to buy a durable, understandable business at a fair price. The move leverages years of partnership with Occidental and deep institutional knowledge, reducing risk and maximizing success. For Berkshire, it turns idle cash into a productive asset. For Occidental, it's a path to financial strength. Most importantly, it bridges Berkshire's past and future, setting up Greg Abel to lead with confidence. The deal is a bold capstone to Buffett's legendary tenure and a clear signal that Berkshire's disciplined, long-term approach will continue. This isn't just a deal, it's a legacy in the making.